Good morning, students. In my previous class, already I discussed introduction part of F block element and lanthanides general electronic configuration, how to write electronic configuration. This entire information already discussed in my previous class. Now we are going to start how to write electronic configuration. This is the most important, and especially in F block element. Definitely every year one question is coming from the electronic configuration. That's why now we will teach shortcut methods of electronic configuration of lanthanides as well as the actinides. So if you follow this shortcut, it can easily write electronic configuration with short time of period without any problem. Okay, my dear students, again I repeated, see carefully here. You know that very well, the F block element general electronic configuration. See Nana, this is a trick. Generally F block elements, F block, one second. Okay. F block elements. F block elements general electronic configuration is, you know that very well, general electronic configuration n minus 2 F 1 to 14 n minus 1 D 0 to 1 ns2. Okay ma? This is the F block element general electronic configuration. You know, F block elements again two series. Number one is the lanthanoids. Lanthanides. Number two is the actinoids. Lanthanides and actinides. See here, listen carefully. Lanthanides, actinides. In the lanthanides, n value, because of it's present in the sixth period, so n value is represented sixth period number. So for lanthanides n value is a 6, for actinides n value is a 7. Okay, because of the lanthanide located in the sixth period group 3, actinides are also located in the seventh period group 3. Group number same, but period number is different. So now this is the general electronic configuration of the F block element. Now only for lanthanides, what is the electronic configuration of lanthanides only? So lanthanides only means, now we will substitute this n value in this above equation of NH 4F, one second ma. So now the n value is substituted in this formula for lanthanides. 6 minus 2 4F 1 to 14, 6 minus 1 5D 0 to 1 and 6S2. So this is the lanthanides only, lanthanides general electronic configuration. And similarly, see here, similarly n value substituted in this formula, 7 minus 2 5F 1 to 14 and 6D 0 to 1 7S2. So this is actinoids general electronic configuration. See Nana carefully, lanthanides general electronic configuration 4F 1 to 14, 5D 0 to 1, 6S2. Actinides electronic configuration 5F 1 to 14, 6D 0 to 1, 7S. See here, listen carefully. Entire the lanthanides are commonly known as 4F block elements. 4F block elements, because of last electron is enter into the 4F. That's why lanthanides are commonly known as 4F block elements and actinides are commonly known as 5F block elements. 5F block elements. So one common point, listen carefully, one common point for lanthanides. Now we will discussing electronic configuration of the lanthanides. For lanthanides, which is the common, see carefully, for lanthanides 4F is the common and 5D is the common, 6S is the common. For actinides 5F, 6D, 7S. This is the common electronic configuration. But listen my dear students, in lanthanide, before this configuration, xenon is there. That is the most important. Before this configuration, before the 4F, 5D, 6S, xenon is there. Similarly, in actinides, before 5F, 6D, 7S, radon is there. This is the most important. So, whenever you will write lanthanide general electronic configuration, xenon 4F, 5D, 6S is a common. This is the common. Okay. First of all, see carefully. You know that very well. These are the lanthanides. Lanthanum, cerium, promethium, neodymium, samarium. These are all the lanthanides. First of all, my dear students, if you write any one of the electronic configuration, first you learn atomic number and element name. You don't know atomic number or element name, definitely it's impossible to write electronic configuration with short time of the period. That's why my dear student, every student compulsory do practice atomic number and electronic configuration, atomic number and name of the element. So for example, now I will write electronic configuration of you will select any one of the one, promethium. So now you know atomic number of promethium, see how to write. So atomic number of the promethium is 59. So now here carefully see na promethium. Now atomic number of promethium, atomic electronic configuration of promethium, see carefully. Now here xenon 4F 5D 6S. See carefully my dear students, what is the promethium atomic number? Promethium atomic number is 59. So now here carefully observe, here xenon is 54 generally. So minus, what is atomic number of promethium? 59. So 54 minus 59, the differentiation is 5 electron. It means these 5 electrons are arranged in this orbital. That's why already you know the very well 6s orbital always 2. So from the 5 electron, 2 electrons are in 6s2 orbital, remaining 3 electrons are here. So D0 already yesterday I discussed which element has d electrons, already yesterday class discussed. See, gadolinium only 1 electron, cerium is only 1 electron, lutetium only 1 electron. So remaining any element from the lanthanides in 5d orbital, there is no any electron. So it's a easiest technique. So now first of all, definitely every student to learn the atomic number of the given element. After that, it can easily to write the electronic configuration. What is the electronic configuration of promethium? Xenon 4f3, 5d0, 6s2. For example, in case of one more example, gadolinium. So gadolinium, how to write gadolinium? See, gadolinium, general you will write electronic configuration. Xenon 4f, 5d, 6s. This is the common electronic configuration. Appo gadolinium atomic number 64 the. Gadolinium atomic number 64, xenon atomic number 54 the. It's clear? 54 means 10 electrons are difference. 10 electrons means already you know the very well. Gadolinium, every s orbital, 6s orbital, 2 electrons. Aprama gadolinium, already you know that cerium, gadolinium, lutetium, 1 electrons are present in the d orbital. Appo 2 electron from the 10 electron, 2 electron here occupied, remaining 1 electron here occupied. So 3 electrons are completed, remaining 7 electrons. 7 electrons are located in the 4f orbital. So what is the electronic configuration of gadolinium? Xenon 4f7, 5d1, 6s2. So similarly lutetium. So Sinana, how to write electronic configuration of the F block elements, especially lanthanide, lutetium. So lutetium, as usual, write general electronic configuration, xenon 4f 5d 6s. Xenon, Sinana, some reference books, some test books, if the 5d orbital is not there, 5d orbital is not there any electron, they are not mentioned this series, only for 4f 6s, but you will write entire the full-fledged electronic configuration, no problem. So now here lutetium, what is atomic number of lutetium? 71 minus 54. So 71 minus 54 means how many electrons are there? Totally 17 electrons. So 17 electrons are present here. 17 electron, from the 17 electron, 2 electron from the 6s orbital. Already lutetium is 1 electron, lutetium 5d orbital. So 3 electrons are gone. So remaining 14 electrons. So this is the lutetium general electronic configuration. Xenon 4f 14 5d 6s2. Now test yourself questions. So do the practice. Question number 1, write terbium electronic configuration, erbium electronic configuration, and samarium electronic configuration. So this is a test yourself. How to write, first I will explain this example, remaining example you will do in your homework questions like. So terbium, first of all, basically without any knowledge about the atomic number of the given element, impossible to write electronic configuration based on this trick. That is the first important point. So terbium atomic number is a 65. So 65 is equal to xenon 4f 5d 6s. So 65 minus xenon atomic number 54. So what is the value? 6 plus 11 electrons. So in this 11 electron, 2 electrons are here. Okay, 2 electrons are here. D, this is not exceptional. 5d 0. From lanthanide, again I say cerium, gadolinium, lutetium only has 1 electron in the 5d orbital. So now remaining 11 electrons, remaining 9 electrons. So this is the terbium electronic configuration. Okay, my dear students. So this is the most important, how to write electronic configuration. And similarly, see Nana. Ipo, see, sometime my question, see, about the question, lutetium plus 3, listen, lutetium plus 3, how many unpaired electrons are there, and how many, what is paramagnetic or diamagnetic? This is the most important. Lutetium plus 3. Lutetium plus 3 means, see here, from the s orbital, listen carefully, from the s orbital 2 electrons, from the s orbital 2 electrons, then from the 4f orbital, not d, from the 1 second, Nana, 1 second. See Nana, lutetium plus 3, Nana. Lutetium plus 3, what happened? 3 electrons are losers. 3 electrons are losers means from s orbital 2 electron, from the d orbital 1 more electron. So 3 electron means in f orbital 7 sub energy levels, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 sub energy levels. How many electrons are there? 14 electrons. So there is no any unpaired electron. There is no any unpaired electron. So lutetium, no unpaired electrons, and after that it is a diamagnetic substances because of there is no any unpaired electron. It's a clear, my dear students. Now one more question, see carefully. Dysprosium, find the question number 1, see carefully, find the dysprosium unpaired electrons, magnetic behavior, and general electronic configuration. So this 3 find dysprosium, find the dysprosium, unpaired electron, magnetic behavior, general electronic configuration. So first of all, dysprosium. So what is the symbol of dysprosium? dy actually is equal to xenon 4f 5d 6s. This is the general representation electronic configuration. Now dysprosium atomic number. See again my dear student, you don't know the atomic number of the given element, definitely you face problem to write the electronic configuration. That's why every student compulsory to learn at least lanthanide 14 elements atomic number and symbol, at least actinides 14 atomic number and symbol. You know atomic number and symbol, it can easily to write electronic configuration of the D block lanthanides and actinides. So dysprosium atomic number is 66. 66 minus 54. So here 6, 12 electrons are there. Out of this 12 electrons, 2 electrons are s orbital, 2 electrons are s orbital. So dysprosium is not exceptional case. That's why here dysprosium 0 electron in the 5D series and 4f. So total 12 electrons. 12 electron means remaining 10 electrons are located in the f orbital. So what is the electronic configuration of dysprosium? dy xenon 4f10 5d0 6s2. It's a clear ma? Now electronic configuration is completed. What is the next one? Next one is unpaired electrons. So how unpaired electrons are find out? See unpaired electron. Now here 4f orbital. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 10 electron 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 electron. So these are the 1 2 3 4. So 4 unpaired electrons. 4 unpaired electron. It's a clear ma? 4 unpaired electron. And after that magnetic behavior, compulsory is magnetic because of 1 2 3 4. 4 unpaired electrons is there, it's a magnetic. So it is a paramagnetic 4 unpaired electron, it's a paramagnetic behavior, unpaired electrons are there. Now my question is dysprosium plus 4 oxidation state or dysprosium plus 3 common oxidation state plus 3 plus 3 oxidation state, how many unpaired electrons are there? Plus 3 oxidation state means 2 electron from the s orbital, 1 electron from the 4f orbital. So remaining 3 unpaired electrons. So in dysprosium plus 3 ion, only 3 unpaired electrons are there. Generally dysprosium 4 unpaired electrons are there. It's a clear my dear students. So this is the electronic configuration of lanthanide. And first of all, again I repeated my dear student, whenever you will write electronic configuration of lanthanides, first to write the general representation electronic configuration xenon 4f 5d 6s. After that what is atomic number of the given element? That atomic number is reduced from the xenon. After that how many electrons are coming? That electrons are distributed in the orbitals. So it can easily to write the electronic configuration. It's a clear my dear students? Okay. Okay students, now actinides electronic configuration. See already I discussed this area. This is the general electronic configuration of the F block elements. Now this is the lanthanide series already completed. Now actinoid series. In this actinoid series 5f 6d7s is the general electronic configuration. Before this configuration radon is there. Radon atomic number is 86. So radon generally radon 5f 6d7s. Radon 5f 6d7s. This is the general representation of the electronic configuration for actinoids. So what are the elements are there in this group? Actinium. After actinium remaining 14 elements are actinoids. So what is the name? Thorium, protactinium, uranium and neptunium, next plutonium, next americium, next curium, next berkelium, next californium, next einsteinium, next fermium, next mandalinium, next mandalinium, next nobelium, and last one is the lawrencium. So these are the generally from actinide series of the elements. See carefully here, same here, listen Nana, in case of actinides and after that Pa means protactinium, after that uranium, after that neptunium, see carefully, neptunium, after that cm, curium. So these curium is the most important, and lawrentium, last one is the lawrentium. So total, listen carefully, in lanthanides, in the 5D has only one electron. In lanthanide 5D has only electron, 3 elements, cerium, gadolinium and lutetium. But in the actinides, listen carefully, in the actinides, actinium, second one is the Pa, protactinium, uranium, neptunium, curium, after that lawrentium. These elements, this is not considered because of after actinium remaining. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 elements are has unpaired electron, one electron in the 6D series. What are that elements names? Protactinium, uranium, neptunium, curium and lawrentium. So this, keep it in your mind, my dear students. Now we will start how to write electronic configuration of the particular actinoids. Just wait, ma. What are the elements are having one electron in the d orbital, 6D orbital? See, Pa. Pa means protactinium and uranium, next neptunium, next curium, next lawrentium. So this is the most important. Even actinium also there. After actinium, remaining elements are actinoids. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are 61, 6D1, 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 6D1. This is the general configuration. Now my question is, my dear students, electronic configuration of the berkelium. Electronic configuration of the berkelium. So berkelium electronic configuration. Write the electronic configuration of berkelium. So berkelium is equal to, atomic number of the berkelium is 97. So before this one, radon 5F 6D 7S. Radon 5F 6D 7S. Radon atomic number 86 the. So now 97 minus 86. So what is the value? 4 plus 7, 11 electrons are there. So here 4 plus 7, 11 electron. In this 11 electrons, see here berkelium is not part of this area. 60 electron there is no any one, 60 orbital there is no any electron. That's why here 11 electron. As usual 7s has 2 electrons, and here 0. Upon berkelium remaining electron, 9 electrons are located here. So the what is the electronic configuration of berkelium, my dear students? Radon 5F9 6D0 7S2. Okay na? One more example, californium. Californium. What is atomic number of californium? 98. And radon 5F 6D 7S. 5F 6D 7S. Now 98 minus 86. 4 plus 8, total 12 electron. 12 electrons, yeah, 12 electrons. So 12 electrons. In this 12 electrons, 2 electrons in 7s orbital. Already here californium is not a part of the 6D electrons. So now here 0 electron. 12 electrons means here what happened? 10 electrons are there. So this is the electronic configuration of the californium. Now exceptional elements. Now we will discussing exceptional elements. See here, what is exceptional element? Uranium. Now uranium, radon 5F 6D 7S. So uranium atomic number is the 92 minus 86. So total here 4 plus 2, 6 electrons. So 6 electron means already 2 electrons in s orbital, 1 electron in the d orbital. So remaining electrons are 1, 2. 2 means 1, 2, 3, 3 remaining. So uranium electronic general electronic configuration is, my dear students, 5F3 6D1 7S2 is exceptional case because of uranium has 1 electron in the 6D1. It's clear, ma? Okay. Okay students, one more example, lawrentium. One more example, lawrentium. See carefully. What is general electronic configuration? Radon 5f 6d 7s. So lawrencium 103 minus 86. So what is the total electrons on lawrencium? 17 electrons. 17 electron. So here 2 electron, here 1 electron. So 6d1 7s2 3 electrons na. இப்போ என்ன ஆயிடுச்சு 5f 14, total 17 electron. The 17 electrons are distributed like this. So this is the actinides electronic configuration. Okay, my dear students, again I will say, whenever you will write electronic configuration of the lanthanides or actinides, first you learn atomic number of the lanthanides or actinides. Otherwise definitely difficult to write electronic configuration with short time of period. Okay ma? Okay, test yourself. Test yourself. Question number 1, fermium electronic configuration and mendelevium electronic configuration, plutonium electronic configuration. So now fermium. So what is the generally radon 5f 6d 7s. So fermium atomic number is, what is the atomic number of fermium? 100 minus 86. 100 minus 86 means 4 plus 10, 14 electrons. These 14 electrons are here 2 electrons, 0 electrons. Okay, now here 12 electrons. So what is the configuration? Fermium, radon 5f12, 6d0, 7s2. Okay, my dear students. So this is the introduction part of lanthanide and actinides. How to identify unpaired electrons or paramagnetic, diamagnetic, depending on the oxidation state. Okay, my dear students, in my next class we will start the atomic properties of the F block elements. Okay ma?